To predict images, firstly we download the weight in the weight folders here. We download the best IO view and save, and in the package ROS package we use the rich image back package the last time we create to save image from the back file. We create a weight folder and copy the weight file here, and I change the name to mobile develop step.pt8, and I create script folder and a Python file named predict, and this Python file I import Dutch and Dutch vision. If we didn't install that Dutch and Dutch vision, we can search on the Google how to install Dutch and Dutch visions, and we import a NumPy and OpenCV. And this is the function for us how to label the mask files with the numbers of the class. And that is how we load a model. This is a function to predict images. Firstly, we normalize the images, and then we transform it into a tensor, and we run the model. Okay, so we get the output, and we change it to NumPy type, and we colorized the NumPy array, and after that we solve it. So let's try. That is the path of the image. This is RGB image, and this is the semantic image. This file you can download at the link of the I enter here. Collapse image folder. Here. This is the Python file.